that is the closest to what actually is going to happen as this high exits and weakens out in the Atlantic Ocean. And of course, the system is traversing the warmer waters, so that's also the window of opportunity for the possible strengthening. So with that in mind, it does not look like a westerly motion now, so that would mean for you folks in Broward, I would think not hurricane force winds, but some strong tropical storm force winds that will graze especially northeast Broward later on tonight. And for you folks in Dade, tropical storm.
Well, right now it looks like I'm in the southern eyewall. I'm in the southwestern eyewall. I'm in that, oh yeah, the eye itself. Yeah, probably. Yeah, because I'm looking at this radar. I'm in that big, there's a red blob on the southwest side of it right now. Whoa, God. Oh yeah, it's stronger now, and the rain is, it's your typical eyewall rain now. It's just like unbelievable here. I like to be standing out in this, but it'd be a little wet. God, look at, ooh, that's about a 105 probably there. Damn.
for the west at 15 miles per hour, and that's the sustained wind, so that's estimated to be there 115 miles per hour, which is the category 3 hurricane on the Southwest Central Hurricane scale. We need to be sure that the hazard for this hurricane, the number one hazard we want to be aware of is the storm surge. We're forecasting 47 feet of storm surge near and to the north as we're sending across to the coast.
Yeah, pressure's 955. It bottomed out at 953. Explosions in the area. Near Port St. Lucie, not far from I-95, awaiting the eastern side of the Eyewall. Should be coming in the next half hour or so. The winds are starting to pick up a little bit, but we'll see how we can ride this part out.
You're waking up, and Jeanne has made landfall and is now moving away from us. Joining us live from the update desk with live in-depth team coverage is News Radio 610 WIOD reporter Ron Hersey.
This is planned for about a half hour from now.
That was a shelter for last night, for the second half of the storm. Here's St. Lucie.
There are so many people without power, and Bill Swain from Florida Power and Light says people have to know it can take a while before things get back to normal and the power gets back on.
As you know, we don't have a crystal ball, but it looks like this may be even worse than Francis was. But we're expecting a good deal of damage from this storm. What we're suggesting is people plan on outages lasting as much as 3 weeks.
FPL is reporting that there are at least 870,000 outages from Hurricane Jeanne. The red
2 o'clock this afternoon. I said that.
Building seems to have fared okay, and that's the store right across the street. It's pretty good shape. I'm asking why this very carefully because there's a video all over the place. There's typical hurricane activity. Port Charlotte, Charlie, maybe more. Right now, we never know what it is. One water,
70 miles per hour sustained in that area, perhaps with some stronger gusts. And you're right, you are basically on the center of the eye wall itself as it emerges from your southeast, moving to the west. So that extends all the way up to your hometown of Lakeland as well, and over to Plant City, Entertainment, all the way down to Mulberry. That's the strongest area of the storm right now, and actually wrapping around all the way down to Wauchula. And this part is emerging now into the eastern sections of Hillsborough County.